want blood clot. Nipple buckle and sit. Oh, tired and bright. You know I'm left out the bim bim. Where you go to gas station got full of tank for? What drive where you go? Me got blood clot gas station. The more gas you put in longer last. KP mama can buy $5 gas right now. I can't put $5 gas in my beam right now and go Palm Beach. We know me car. I say regular me run out of gas. Me not top. Not slung and no pump and pump no gas so long. Any my time to cut off the pump and this time my man cut it. All if I go back and I sit for my I am a corrupt, you know. We don't know how I'm corrupt, so you know. Anyway, my tell me if I cut it and this time I cut it. I'm corrupt, you know. Yes. I'm corrupt. And hear me I say. You not give me no money over here. Give them one tap. Let me say. Well, last don't give me no money. You come over here, skin on the blood clot teeth. KP money, I talk to them real quick and fast. All you do is come over here, come skin up on the blood clot teeth, and carry no blessings, and no blood clot real support. Go get other blood clot artists and comedian. No, I'm going to talk to some of the toilet, you know, because a long time if you tell them my mind, you know. And some of the people I'm follow. I'm going to unfollow on the blood clot. Because when I pull up my music, you don't share my blood clot music. You don't share some massacre, like massacre follow, no? You don't share governor, like governor follow, no? You don't share six bars no follow, no? And me over here say good, me support. Me done with them blood clots in the mid. Done. Me follow people. People that put my page over there. I go back over blood clot chat and laugh. Make lava use me, because lava used to use me and pay me. Make lava blood clot use me and promote me. Me can't get around blood clot. I said, me tell you over here. To all you over here. I mean, I stop cussing off, because I'm a pussy wall. You know I set a pussy wall. I put it on, I put it on me say, I unfollow the pussy wall. Oh no, tired and breath, you don't smell like Jehovah's Witness style it. No, you don't smell like Baptist church style it, because that's how expensive shit this. So you don't smell like Jehovah's Witness style it. If you see me, I go to my hard work views. More while on the skin out and the pussy send go get cartel. Or cartel not even view it. More while on the send out skin out and the pussy go get Michael Jackson in dead. I can't do it. I can't do it no more. Yeah, listen to me. I see full part of me done. Done completely. Man, I'm ignorant. I really talk. How do you think this is? What the blood clot do you think this is? Merry-go-round? Or blood clot, I see blood clot, Miss Thomas, I see blood clot pussycat, or I see kill Miss Thomas puss. Eh? When I skin up the pussy, I said go give us artist them, and then I see it. I mean, I come here and take for blood clot idiot, who know something like Jehovah's Witness shit. We clog up in a blood clot tired over there. Wanna swim like redundant. Wanna swim like cesspool. Wanna swim like out of blood clot. Wanna swim like out of wharf. When people are waiting for them barrel. Wanna swim like early morning piss them and people pissing their wharf toilet. Wanna swim like down a dead end. When plane them take off down a mobile and then throw a fish belly them down there. Out of them blood clot bright. Be hungry now. Stop and get a blood clot 4 for 4. Wanna think me I'm gonna say oxtail 4 for 4. Fully X 4 for 4. 4 for 4. You know, alright. Rika thirsty for water, not woman. Thirsty for money. Yes. Four for 4. Rika thirsty for money. Now real talk. Thirsty for money. Come back to the ear me say, you can tell me about bleachings and black mouth now. So you think that gonna hurt me? Get your facts, man. No can't hurt me over here, son. You never know how many name Earthy Earth. I never know. Four for 4. Rika, you can't send Rika, I don't want a juice money. I don't want a juice money. Juice money can't do nothing for Rika. If they can't give me a 5 bills, Rika, leave me alone. Every day they come get up like my blood clot thirsty. That's how they deal with me, son. Like my bumbo clot thirsty, I'm hungry, no. That's how they deal with me, son.